Hello everyone, I am Kashish Patel. I am from TYCSC IDS. So today I am going to explain what is JSP and its related technologies. So today we are going to explore JavaServer Pages and related tools and technology that power dynamic websites. These technologies let developers create web applications that respond in real time, personalize content, and are easy to maintain. So our first point is servlets. So basically what are servlets? Servlets are Java program that handle client requests. For example, when a user submits a login form, a servlet processes that data, connects to the database and sends back a response, often forwarding to a JSP for UI, user interface. So now the question is what actually the servlets do. So servlets basically going to do request handling. So servlets acts as the server side component and is going to handle the request which is came from the client side. The other one is it is fully Java based. The servlets are written fully entirely in Java. So servlets provide fully platform independence. And the third one is bridge to JSP, which is nothing but our Java server pages. So they often serve as the container in the MVC architecture and forwarding the request to JSPs for presentation. So our next point is JSTL. So the full form of JSTL is Java Server Pages Standard Tag Library. So basically it is going to provide the library which has all the tags which is required for JSP. So basically the JSTL provides tags like loops, conditions and formatting. It helps replace Java scriptlets in JSP with simple, clean tags and improving code clarity and reusability. Other than this, the JSTL provides a collection of predefined tags for common JSP tasks, reducing the need of scriptlets. Another important feature which JSTL provides is improved the readability. So improved readability is nothing but the JSTL tags makes the JSP pages clear, more readable and easier to maintain for the developers, so that the code is clear and concise and easy to read and easy to understand for anyone. So our next point is EL. EL stands for expression language. So EL specifies how we access variables in JSP. No need for Java code. Just use $sign and curly braces. It can fetch values from scopes like request, session or application. By using expression language, which is nothing but EL, we can easily access our data and we can easily access our data because EL provides a simple way to access data from various scopes. And the another one will be simplified syntax. The expression language has very easy and concise syntax so that we can easily memorize it and understand it. And the other one is integration. It integrates with JSTL and other custom tag libraries, enhancing development efficiency so that we can easily merge it with JSTL and other custom tags libraries. So now we are going to see what are custom tags. So basically the custom tags let us define reusable functionalities. Instead of rewriting logic like data formatting across pages, we create a tag once and reuse it anytime and anywhere. So the advantages of custom tags is it provides encapsulation, which is nothing but it encapsulates the complex logics or promoting codes reusable and modularity. The another one is reusability. The reusability of code again and again without rewriting it multiple times. The other one is abstraction. The abstraction is nothing but they abstract away the underlying or Java code, allowing front-end developer to focus only on presentation. And lastly is community sharing. Custom tag libraries can be shared and distributed, fostering a community for reusable components. So now I am going to talking about JSF, which is nothing but JavaServer Faces. So basically the JSF is a UI framework, which is nothing but user interface framework that uses components like buttons, inputs and tables. It handles user inputs and events and maintains component state, making development faster and easier. The JSF is fully component based, which is nothing but it is UI framework that provides a rich set of usable UI components. They are nothing but buttons, text field, text areas, etc. The another one will be event driven. It simplifies handling user inputs and events with a powerful event driven programming model. The last one is state management. So the JSF automatically manages the states of UI components, so it is going to be easy and very much helpful. So now we are going forward to AJAX. So what is AJAX? AJAX allows only parts of a web page to refresh. This creates smoother user experience. It commonly used for live search or chat apps and updating data without page reloading. So the real world example would be when we are scrolling the reels on Instagram and when we are commenting or liking that particular reel, so it is not going to refresh the whole Instagram, it is going to refresh that particular page. So that is nothing but the real time example of AJAX. So the AJAX, which is nothing but asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It is asynchronous, which allows parts of web pages to update without the full page reload. The AJAX provides interactivity, which enhance the user experience by providing dynamic content updates and fast interactions. AJAX also provides the partial updates, enable sending and receiving data from the server in the background. So now I am going to talk about the future trends in JavaServer page development. To write efficient web applications, make sure you use MVC to separate the logic, validate all inputs to prevent attacks, and use frameworks like Spring MVC for modern features and scalability. The MVC architecture ensures the clear separation of code, which is going to make the application easier to develop, test and maintain. Providing the security is more important to our applications because customer is going to only use the website or application which is trustable, reliable. So we have to mention take care that our website or application is more secure and no vulnerabilities are there. So basically the vulnerabilities are nothing but a small fault in a program. And the talking about the modern framework, so the frameworks like Spring MVC or Java EE are going to enhance features and community supports in future.